Hello, I hope you can hear me okay. My microphone has broken. I'm using JDiction 4-hour fast cure to make this octopus, and I'm going to use Kamenskaya, I think I've said it right, I'm not sure, to do a Petri effect. Well, I hope so. Using yellow and green and the white sinker, of course. I have sped this up quite a bit, and each time I put the ink in I let it spread out and let it come back in before I put any more in. And I love the effect it makes. I think it's great. I hope you like it too. I think it's quite hypnotic. I hope I've said that right as well. Also, before I forget, this is a Friendship Express weekly collaboration organised by Sally from Aurora Creations, Susie from Serenity Resin Creations, I hope I've got that right, my apologies if I haven't, and Tina from Pour Resin with Love. Thank you for organising this. Now I'm using IntoResin Aurora powder, and I'm using this mint green, which I think is very pretty. I do like green. And I mix, just giving it a good mix up. I hope you're all well, by the way, and having a good week, I hope. Oh yes, the description for the playlist is in my description below. Phew! So I'm just making sure I've got no bubbles in the eyes. And I'm just pouring clear, and then the green, and continue that way. I do speed this up. So what's your favourite colour? Let me know in the comments, please. Forgot me manners. I do have some description. What am I talking about? I do have some discount codes in the description below if you want to save some money. Go ahead and use them. It's free. I'm just going around his little toes to make sure the resin is all in there. I know it's tentacles, but I just wanted to say toes. And we're unmoulding now. It's quite easy to demould from this angle. Sorry, I go off camera. I'm going to decorate him now. This is a metallic pen from Temu. It's like a greeny goldy colour, which matches his head really well. Using a JDiction pen now to do the slits of his eyes. These gems are from the range, really, a couple of quid. And I'm going to use the green square ones. And I had a bit of trouble. These are a bit fiddly, I'll say. Took me a while to get it in place, but I'm fighting the time of the super glue as well. I'll do the rest off camera. Using the JDiction pen again, I'm just going to do some dots. And to finish it off on camera. Using the same pen as before, just doing some little lines down his tentacles. Sorry. I did this voiceover before, but it wasn't until I was looking at it back that it hadn't worked at all. So it was oh. So thank you to all my subscribers, you're all amazing. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos, I really do appreciate it. You're amazing. Diddly-diddly-dee. There he is. So again, thank you for watching. You're all amazing. I hope to see you all soon. Look after yourselves. Bye bye.